Page 143, March 1 and 2. I'm going to take them both here. They're both short and they're both simple. The first one is in common time, C major. Your hands are here. You're not in C position, but it doesn't matter where your hands are. You put your hands where you got to go to play the notes. There. Rhythm's pretty simple. There's quarter notes and half notes. You're medium loud in the first line. That's the right hand. Keep the left hand down a little bit. Then when you get to the second line, now you're soft. That's the right hand. The left hand has to be very soft. Then you crescendo up to the 2 E's, then come back down. And at the end, that last note, the left hand's by itself. And that's the march. There's not a lot to it. And the second march, this is in the key of G major. It's got one sharp. All the F's are sharp if there are any. I don't see any, but there would be. And your position to start is here, because that's what, based on the notes given and the fingers numbers given, that's where the hand's got to go. And that's the melody's in the right hand, so play the left hand soft. You're loud to start with, that's the right hand. At the end of the line, you got a decrescendo to come down a little bit. Then the second line, you're sort of loud. You didn't go all the way down to soft, just a little softer than loud. And then at the end of the line, now you crescendo down to like a medium soft. And that's the marches. They're pretty simple. I like to do them both with you, slowly, just to double check the notes. I don't think the rhythms are a problem, but we'll try it. Now on these play with me's, I'm not doing the dynamics. I'm just playing the notes. I want you to hear the notes and the rhythms. You can do the dynamics on your own, and you can speed it up on your own. These marches are marked allegro, so it's like a fast march. Is that it? 1, 2. 1, 2, left, right, left. Is that how it is? I don't know. The second march, same speed? Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. As if you're in a hurry. That's what they say. It's allegro. So I'm going to give us 4 counts. The first march is in common time, which is the same as 4/4. So I'm going to give 4 counts to each march, and we'll play it one march after the other. So here we go. Go ahead and put your hands where they go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. Second march, put your hands where they go. 1, 2, ready, go.